The 2014 Maserati Gran Turismo. The Maserati Gran Turismo is the first modern two-door four-seater coupe that delivers much more than its sensual beauty initially suggests. And it's priced below $135,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, hard disk drive media storage, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.